Hey, welcome to the show. Take a look at this. This is one of the easiest flying remote control indoor helicopters you're gonna find. This thing is built tough. I've had it bounce off of walls, lights, tables, chairs, and it's ready to rock and roll and go again. All right, let's take a close look at the S107H-E remote control helicopter. It has one key takeoff and landing, has a hover function, indoor lights. Look at those indoor lights. Those are so cool. I just love all the detail on this helicopter. Yeah, and here's the controller. It also has an instruction manual. On the box, it has choices of different colors you might be able to order, but I really like the red. There is a little input right there. It includes a USB cable, and all you have to do is put the jack right in there, charge it up, and when you're ready to use it, you're going to have an on and off button right here. You click that on and look at all the cool lights. All right, my son is going to show you how to turn this on and sync it up to the controller. It's the power button right there. Power button on the controller.
So you go up.
Okay.
And then you go down.
Okay.
And then you go like, you put this one over it. Wait. You just lift off.
All right. Go for it.
This is actually really talented, and nobody knows.
Hey, thanks a lot for watching the show. Make sure you check out this indoor remote control helicopter. It's going to add so much fun to your life. Hey, I'll have a link down below. Hit that likey button, and like always, have a fun day. Adios. Goodbye.